Hi Professor, this is Bikram and here we are with the lab activity, another one. So I have extracted this data from the internet and this data basically belongs to the sports that on the basis of states of United States of America. So it represents the number of participations of boys and girls in different schools on the basis of years. Now we can see here the year column is basically not appropriate, so we have to convert it into a particular year. So for that I have used the write function in the Excel, where I have pulled out the last four values of the that column. Now we can see here the perfect year from 2003 to 2019. Also, there were some of the null values that I have eliminated. So, like these highlighted one, which are eliminated in this new and cleaned sheet. So we can see here that are replaced by 0. After this, I created the visualization part that in Power BI and Tableau. So starting with the Power BI, here I have created two sheets. First sheet represents the most popular sports that is in the United States. So we can see that for that I need to find out the total number of participations. I created another variable by basically adding the number of boys participation and girls participations. So here we can see the number of participation in football is the highest. Similarly, the top 15 sports are here, and I have created a filter for this. So you can see here. Now, coming to the second chart, this is a basically map chart that showing the number of participations, total number of participation on the basis of states in United States. So also here I have put a filter on the states, where I have eliminated two of the states that are in the US. Here we can see that using the tooltip and the bubble, that the highest bubbles are for Texas and California, and because they have the maximum number of participations for these from the 2003 to 2019. So for this Power BI, it is clearly representing that how the total number of participations are there for different on the basis of sports and on the basis of state. But now coming to the Tableau part, here we have used the business requirement as the on the basis of gender. Now how the both gender, boys and girls, are performing. For that, I have used an gap between the number of participations between boys and girls. So anyway, the we can see that the gap is basically decreasing. From gap, I mean to say that uh, the gap between the number of participations of boys and girls. So girls are basically increasing in the sports, so that we can see here the graph is decreasing because of the number of participations. We have also used the forecasting technique here for just to check in the future what will be the trend. Now the trend also is decreasing here, which is a very good sign for the future sports in US, that both gender are working equally and performing equally. But checking on the basis of some sports, some states. Uh, Now let's see. I'm checking on the basis of this. Now in Florida, we can see the flow is decreasing as well. Hence, coming to the next here, I need to find out the top 10 states that are performing well in the basis of girls' participations. Also have compared it with the boys' participation in these sports on the basis of speed itself. So I have used a filter of year here, where you can see here that I can select any year from here and find out on the basis of what year the best performing state was. And I have only extracted the top 10. um, Now, simply checking, I have extracted the top 10. I have put a field condition on the basis of girls participation. Now, uh, here itself, like we can get an idea that how girls are not performing in the equal numbers as the boys are performing. Now, if we can see on the basis of different years, so in 2008, this is the scenario, and there is a huge gap between the the Texas boys and girls. But in 2019, we can see that the gap has been decreased, and the California has more number of girls participation than Texas. So the trend is improving, and we can see a very good number of girls participation in these sports. So here is, thanks for the opportunity. This was my assignment.